In this movie, we'll see how to insert multiple nodes in an element. In the previous movie, we saw how to add a single node. In this one, we'll see how to add multiple nodes. So let's assume that in section 20 to 30, we want 3 separate nodes in here. What we can do is, again, click on break current element, select insert multiple nodes. Now define how many break elements you want. We want 3 elements. Caesar tool will calculate the node step by itself, and it will also calculate the length by itself. Just to have a look at that, it calculates and puts the length equally. Let's go in and say we want 4 nodes. It calculates the length as 1250 each. So before you actually do that, you can actually go in and put in how many break elements you want. If you do 2, Caesar tool will break it into 2 elements. Let's add 4. Let's break this element into 4 different elements. Click OK, and as you can see, 4 elements have been created. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A funny thing has happened here. As you can see, node number 31 is before 30. Now that is perfectly alright, because as long as a node has a unique number, it is distinct from any other nodes. Here we have broken this element into 4 different sections.